Welcome to Guangzhou Huilian Machine Company specializing in the sale of construction machinery spare parts, especially excavator parts. We are dedicated to providing a wide range of high-quality products and excellent services to meet the needs of our customers worldwide. At Guangzhou Huilian, we understand the importance of a conducive work environment and a talented team to ensure the smooth operation of our business. Our office space is designed to foster creativity, collaboration, and productivity, providing a comfortable and inspiring atmosphere for our employees. What's more, our company also won a number of industry and government awards and honors. We offer a comprehensive range of excavator parts, including buckets, booms, arms, hydraulic cylinders, checks, rollers, and more. Our parts are manufactured using premium materials and undergo strict quality control processes to guarantee durability and performance. We provide a wide selection of hydraulic breakers, suitable for different excavator models and applications. Additionally, we offer a variety of accessories such as chisels, seals, pistons, diaphragms, and valve kits to support the maintenance and repair the hydraulic breakers. To address the common issue of hydraulic and engine seals, we offer seal repair kits that include a comprehensive assortment of seals, O-rings, gaskets, and other components necessary for repairing and maintaining machinery. These kits ensure efficient sealing, preventing leaks, and optimizing the performance of the equipment. Here is the showroom of Guangzhou Huilian. Our showroom serves as a showcase for our wide range of products, including excavator parts, hydraulic breakers and accessories, seal repair kits, and more. Step into our showroom and explore the diverse offerings that cater to the needs of the construction industry. Our product showroom is designed to provide a visually appealing and interactive experience for our visitors. The spacious layout allows for easy navigation, ensuring that each product category is clearly displayed and accessible. The showroom is well lit, highlighting the quality and details of our products, while creating a welcoming and professional ambience. Welcome all customers to our factory for visiting, gathering, and technical communication. For more information, please visit our website.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.